So the students have certified through the IRS VITA program to receive their basic and advanced IRS certification. They did this back in December. So now that we're in tax season, starting February of this year, they started preparing taxes for the GISD community. So yes, this is an advanced certification. It is recognized by the Texas Education Agency. It is on the industry-based certifications. It's something that we introduced to the high school students, but there's definitely a lot of college students that are also partaking in this. Dallas College also partakes in this VITA site and certification process. So it gives the kids a little bit of a hands-on, a little bit of an advantage once they graduate. It's a skill that they can use now, they can use in the future. A lot of them have already started to implement it at home to educate their parents on how they file and what's the best way to file for them. What is their most advantageous way to file so they get the biggest bang out of their buck. The way the site operates is downstairs we do have our intake specialists. That's the first person the taxpayer will meet with. They go over the documentation, making sure they have all their IDs, social security card, tax documentations. Once they fill out the required documentation, they'll come up to our lab and our students will prepare their taxes. Now, being that it is IRS backed, we do make sure that once the student completes the return, that I quality review the return prior to submitting to the IRS. We are available every Monday from here until April 15th. So if you are a GISD employee and would like to have your taxes done for free, we encourage you to sign up and come see us.